Right now, your ad budget is likely paying for bots. On average, nearly 5% of all ad clicks are fake, and on certain ad networks, that figure jumps up to 22%. So how does this happen? Platforms like Google Performance Max automate your ad campaigns and place where they run. Your ads get pushed to thousands of sites, but you don't see which ones. Bots visit, they click your ads, and since your ads appear to get high engagement, they get rewarded with more placements. In the end, your money moves to them, all before an actual customer is even able to see your campaign. So, what's it actually costing you? Well, if we apply the observed 4.81 average fraud rate to last year's global digital ad spend, that comes out to an estimated 32.6 billion USD in financial losses in 2025 alone. For B2B companies and marketing agencies in particular, it gets worse. Bots are also filling your lead forms, corrupting your machine learning, and destroying your cost per acquisition. So, how do you fix it? The solution lies in gaining visibility. You need to know which sites are eating your spend, which clicks are real, which conversions are human. Marketing security platforms like Spider AF monitor every impression and click across your campaigns in real time, flagging fraud, blocking bad placements, and giving you clean data. Get your free ad fraud audit at the link below and see exactly where your budget is going with Spider AF.